Jillions representing the Oregon Association of Realtors. Wanted to get slightly into the legal gymnastics around this bill. Obviously, the bill is designed to raise a significant amount of revenue. It raises over $150 million in the first biennium, and we believe that this is a distortion of the City of Seattle case as far as requiring a 3/5 vote. Additionally, it takes it sort of a step further and attempts to bind future legislatures to an expenditure of general fund money. This is very different than, say, the document recording fee, where we have a dedicated fund and the dollars are going into there for specific purposes. This is general fund money. This is general fund money that's being spent in a policy committee rather than going through our traditional Ways and Means process. And we would certainly like to see the bill, if it moves forward, head to Ways and Means where they can have that conversation about an amount of money that approaches almost $200 million within several biennia. You heard a lot about the policy of mortgage interest deduction in Oregon and who utilizes it. I wanted just to point out a few figures as we look at that. I know proponents like to cite that 60% of the benefit goes to the top 20%. Let's look at real dollars there. That's families that are making $84,000 a year and above. So when we're talking about the top 20%, we are not talking about extremely rich people. Unfortunately, we don't have enough rich people in Oregon because when you have a level at that, effectively, if you had $1,000 a month in other debt payments, you could afford a $283,000 house. $283,000 house on $84,000 a year. Unfortunately, in many parts of our state, the median value is well over $400,000, and in fact, statewide, we've approached almost $320,000. So these top 20% can't even afford the median house anymore in our state. Last thing, and I'll pass it over to my colleagues. I'm sorry that we're limited to 2 minutes. We've heard a lot about what states have higher homeownership rates. I would say to you all that the state that has the highest is West Virginia. The median home price in West Virginia is $102,000 a year. Thank you, Madam Chair.